Here's what you can expect for the week. Rainfall chances picking up. We see better chances for rain and storms, and we can even see some slightly below average temperatures. Definitely want to give us some relief from the heat for what we're used to around in July, but I want to draw your attention to some rain that's been impacting our area for the last couple hours. Heads up if you live in St. Tammany Parish near Slidell, also near the Pearl River. We had some heavy thunderstorms that was moving through there, but now basically it's starting to ease off a little bit. Even in portions of Baton Rouge and Gonzales saw some rain, heavy downpours and some lightning strikes in that area. But again, as time moves on, we start to see these storms kind of dissipate as they make their way to the south. And where you have the rain, you have lower temperatures. You have temperatures that I believe lower 80s and even some 70s in Bogalusa, 78 in Bogalusa right now, 77 in Hammond, 84 in Kenner. So you have some relief from the humidity, which is great if you're heading out tonight, but you want to still make sure you keep the rain gear handy. When you wake up tomorrow, 20% chance about in the morning, and then by afternoon, we have these changes of rain that's going to start happening by the afternoon hours. By Monday, temperatures going to still be in the lower 90s. But again, that's basically going to help spark these ignitions for these thunderstorms. We had some storms again in Slidell that's impacting right now by overnight. As you can see, they're gone, clearing out, and then it's going to stay clear into your Monday's commute. We were hot, 93 degrees, record is 99, so we wasn't as hot as we are used to being, but again, that still shows you it was hot and humid, and it's basically going to stay humid and hot throughout much of the week. All this cloud cover moving into our area, maybe a shower or two off the coast, but then dying out, not much going on. But as we look out across our viewing area in northern Louisiana, we have all this moisture basically accumulating along this cold front boundary, and this cold front boundary is basically going to push its way to the south, so that's what's going to give us our potential for severe weather. As we look at our packs, we have some lightning, damaging wind that could come from these storms, large hail, and also brief tornadoes. So we want to be alert and also cautious as we head into the afternoon, and keep that in mind if we're heading out. But for right now, South Shore, heading out tonight for a light jog. It's going to be mostly cloudy, a shower or two you may see, warm and humid temperatures, low 70s, mid 70s. And then as you head into tomorrow, it's going to be hot, beautiful for your commute. Expect upper 80s to low 90s for temps. Rainfall chances, though, by the afternoon pick up, hot and humid throughout much of the afternoon, which helps give these storms the spark of life of the week. But I want to draw your attention to what's going on right now. We do have a lot of thunderstorms that's still in our area. Some of them are becoming weaker than what they were earlier. Taking a closer look in portions of lakefront, though, we do see some showers moving through over New Orleans area. But again, those are pretty much staying to our west. See, has some thunderstorms that move through Bogalusa and also portions of Franklinton, Covington area saw some heavy thunderstorms. But again, those storms are moving fast and eventually weakening as we press the hours. And where you saw the thunderstorms and rain is where you get the cooler temperatures. Low 80s, have some 70s, 78 in Bogalusa, 77 in Hammond, 77 in Baton Rouge right now, 87 in Gulfport. It's cooler temperatures and less heat. What you can expect if you're heading out tonight is going to probably see a rain shower or two, maybe a lingering storm by late on. But overnight it's clearing out. You're pretty clear. We do have some showers starting to spark up around Hammond and Baton Rouge area. But again, by overnight, those showers are gone. Clouds still thick though. Beautiful for your Monday commute as you wake up, and then even for your early afternoon commute home if you get off in time. But by around 5 o'clock, around your late afternoon, if you're going home, you see these storms start to spark up, mainly with that cold front pushing through the area, and that's going to give us our chance for rain, but also our chance for severe weather. And as we make our way to Tuesday, everything clears out. It's a beautiful day, and it's going to be perfect and dry, as it will be for the next couple of days. But what you can expect tonight if you're heading out to maybe a late dinner is going to be mostly cloudy, humid, heat index values upper 80s, low 90s. And then by tomorrow, same summer pattern we're accustomed with. It's going to be 90 degrees or 90s. West wind at 5 miles per hour to about 10 miles per hour. It's going to be partly cloudy. We have that chance for rain around 30%, and then the heat index value is 100 plus. So definitely want to make sure you stay hydrated. To drop to below a degree mark by Tuesday through Thursday, giving us some relief from the heat, but rainfall chances staying fairly high around 50. Then by Wednesday and Thursday, tapering off a little bit, we see the highs drop down to about upper 80s, and then we see the change start to happen again by Friday. Temperatures get back to what we're common to, which is 90 degrees and low 90s throughout much of the weekend. And even though we have the rainfall chances around 40%, we can still see the heat and still have the humidity. That was a look at weather. I have more details after the break.